Okay, we've got another set of questions going on here. So we're now looking at graphing, and there's a whole variety of ones, from these ones which are reciprocals. We're going to do a whole range, but we're not actually going to graph this. We're going to just plot the table. This is essentially 4 divided by x. So 4 when x is a half. Now you can use your calculator. So in this case, use your calculator. 4 divided by 0.5, and your fifth it comes out as 8. Okay. And do use your calculator in this. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Use your calculator. 4 divided by 2, 2. I'm doing it this way because I'm confident, but in the exam, just use your calculator. 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 8, and then 4 divided by 10. And that's what you should have got. Okay? Then we get these ones here. So, what it says here, complete this one, 3x plus 1. So this is a straight line because it's got x to the power of 1, goes up in threes, and it starts at 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, 3 zeros are nothing, plus 1 is 1. And it goes up in threes. And because this goes up in 1, so every one across it goes up in threes. That should be 4, that should be 7, meaning that goes back from 1, going back in threes, should be minus 2. Now I'm just going to check. Obviously in the exam I'd put it in my calculator, but let's just check. When x is 2, 3 2's, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Boom. Okay. Now with this one here, a quadratic, I'm expecting to see something symmetrical. Look, 6 and 6. And I reckon that's going to be probably 2, and that could be 0. Okay, because you're expecting with something with an even number, you're expecting some symmetry going on. Okay, let's put 0 in here. 0 squared is nothing, plus nothing is nothing. There we go. And now let's just put some others. Start off with this one here because it's a positive number. So on my calculator, what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce you to the brackets. Okay, hello brackets. Hi. They're really powerful in a question like this. Is put everything in bracket form. So 3, close bracket, squared, and then it's plus, open bracket, 3, close bracket. You might think this looks really odd, but I'll show you why this is so powerful. Okay, pressing the equals button, and I get 12. Now, all I need to do now is go back and change that, delete, to negative 2. Negative 2. And then keep going back, delete, negative 2, and then press equals, and it comes as 2, which is what I thought it would be. So there we go, our symmetry. And now it's got to be symmetrical, guys. So we're going to plot this one now from minus 3. So minus 3 across, 6 up, minus 2, 2 up, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, oh look, we're going back up again, 2, 6, and 3, 12. And you see the shape. You've got to plot this now. I'm doing it really roughly, but you've got to plot it like that. You might be asked to then use that to answer questions as well, but you've got to do it. Okay, I've noticed in the exam you've just done, some of you asked to draw a cumulative frequency curve and didn't actually join the things up. Really strange, that. Okay, what about this one here? So we're going to plot it. This has got a 3 to it. So I'm going to use the same idea as I did here, guys. So clear that. I'm going to have open bracket, hello bracket, and then I'm going to write in, I'm going to start off with minus 2. Okay, so negative 2, close bracket, to the power of 3. I'm going to use that button, to the power of 3. Move that forward. And then it says minus 2, open bracket. Now put the x value in of negative 2, close bracket, and then plus 3. And there we go, equals negative 1. And now all I need to do, once I've done that, is go back and change that to negative 1. Just checking that's what they got. And do the same here. Delete, negative 1, press equals, get to 4. Could put naught in, delete out, put a naught in, go across, delete, put the 0 in, press equals, comes as 3. Now put the 1 in, delete 1, go through, delete 1, press equals 2. Then go for the 2, and you can see what's happening now. It's just getting to the rhythm of it all. It's just really straightforward in the end. 7. And similarly with this one, complete this table. So it's slightly more harder now. So look here, what I'm going to do is it's all 3 to the power. And straight away there. So now I'm going to put -2 in there. So -2 equals 1 over 9. So we're allowed to do that, 1 over 9. I'll simply go back and put 1 in there, press equals 3rd. Put a 0 in there. Well, I know anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. Boom. Notice, can you see here that it's all 3s, isn't it, related? That's really cool. Okay, see you later.